Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to make calls right from cover screen of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to leave to settings. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named cover screen. Click on it and here go to the widgets. On the widgets, we would need to go to contacts and here choose direct dial. You can choose direct dial up to 6 contacts. As you can see, we have 3 options here. 4 contacts and 6. So I will choose this one and then we would need to select the contacts that we want to add to the direct dial. For example, I will choose this one and also this one. Click done and now we can check it on our cover screen. So to make a call from your cover screen, we would need to wake it up and then swipe to the left to see the widgets. Here you'll be able to see these contacts that you have added, and if you will click on every of them, the call will start immediately. So now you can make calls right from your cover screen without any problems. And that's it! I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.